Consistency in capsule production starts with cleanliness. At Index, we know that building high-performance capsule fillers is only half the story. Keeping them clean is what ensures they perform day after day. For the K-series capsule fillers, regular cleaning protects both your product and your process. Throughout the day, vacuum excess powder from machine surfaces. At the end of each shift, clean both the external and internal vacuum filters to maintain airflow and efficiency. After every batch, reset the machine. Wipe down all product contact parts, including tooling and pins. Check and clean tamping springs and caps. Inspect the segment turret and dosing station. Remove the top cam for thorough cleaning. And don't forget the separation housing. Finish by wiping down bolts, screws, and turnbuckles. Log each cleaning task to ensure consistency across shifts and to catch issues before they become downtime. At Index, we don't just build machines, we help you keep them running at their best. Index capsule fillers, redefining precision, empowering production.